Want to create a fun boomerang-style video on Snapchat? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a bouncing loop video using Snapchat's built-in feature. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you're on the camera screen. If you're not, tap the camera icon at the bottom to switch to it. Now, press and hold the capture button to start recording your video. Keep in mind that shorter clips work best for a smooth looping effect. Once you've recorded your video, look for the looping icon, an infinity symbol, in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to activate Snapchat's bounce feature, which works similarly to a boomerang. You can adjust the loop effect by dragging the slider to select the portion of your video that should bounce back and forth. Play around with it until you get the perfect effect. When you're happy with the result, tap Send to and share it with your friends or add it to your story for everyone to see. Now you know how to create a fun looping video on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.